Subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos.
All my bags packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I'd hate to wake you up to say goodbye.
Nippon at Home, brought to you by Nippon Paint.
Most exciting thing about this lockdown has been me baking. When I was a kid, I grew up on eating the most fantastic creations thanks to my grandmothers, my mother, my aunts. Everybody was a queen in the kitchen. And the bad thing about that is we never got to go into the kitchen because they never gave us a chance. So when this whole lockdown happened, I panicked about food. It's like, oh my God, what am I going to do? Because I never used to cook. And then I started making things which at first try they tasted not bad. Second try was wow. The third try is, oh my God, how did I make this? So that's been really exciting for me, especially because all my life I've been eating my mom's cakes and now I get to send her my cake. But my mother is the worst critic. Everyone else will eat the cake and like, wow, it's so nice. And my mom will be like, it's not risen enough. You haven't mixed it enough. You haven't done this. I guess mothers are always difficult to please. Well, one of the nice things about this lockdown is that I have the time to sit and enjoy my coffee at the balcony, listening to the birds chirping. And I've also been baking, so I get to have my cake and eat it too, which is awesome. I'm a huge coffee lover, guys. I love my coffee. If I don't have my coffee at a certain time of the day, well, be prepared for some consequences. Let me just say that. This is one of my favorite spots in the house. Quite obvious for what reason. I come here when I'm sad a lot. You know, it brings me a lot of calm. It brings me back to myself. I think in a way, it's always been music that saved me, you know, from everything, and it continues to save me. And interestingly enough, when I used to be a kid and I had all my piano lessons, I never owned a piano. We couldn't afford a piano, and even if we could have, there wasn't enough space for it in our little apartment. And I did all my piano exams by practicing on one of my friend's pianos, you know. And then many years later, after I did about 6th to 8th grade exams, that's when I got my first piano. And the irony of life is I stopped playing after that. I stopped doing exams because I got into the films. And ever since I got into the film industry, playing the piano kind of took a backseat because, you know, I can sing anywhere I am, but I can't really carry this around with me everywhere I go. So, yeah, that's an interesting little snippet. But I have been able to play a little bit more during this lockdown, and I hope to keep that going as a good habit. Well, this is kind of like Pandora's box, because if you open this, ta-da! It's shoes, and more shoes. These are my Louboutins. I shall be putting them back safely in the box. Maybe I'll put these out here. And there's more shoes. Look at these. These are my favorites. I wear these on stage all the time. So guys, don't think I'm vain or anything. I mean, I love shoes, but also I use all of these for the stage. So this is part of my stage experience. It's when Andrea, the PJs and t-shirt girl, becomes Andrea, the stage diva. So the shoes are a very important part of that transformation. Before lockdown, I did not even have a Netflix account. Shocking but true. But because of the lockdown and the zero entertainment options in life, I started watching Peaky Blinders and I loved it. It's such a stylish, cool show. Although whenever a gun comes on screen, I kind of close my eyes, can't help it. But I was thinking about the whole, Tom Shelby, the main guy. Why do people like him so much? He's the bad guy. He kills everybody. He does all that crap. But the fact remains, it hit me today. Thomas Shelby has integrity, and it comes through in everything he says and does. And I think that is one of the most brilliant characterizations I've ever seen on television so far, Thomas Shelby. And it made me think about, the one quality that I admire the most in people is integrity. And if somebody doesn't have it, get away from me. I hope this lockdown has taught all of us a very valuable lesson that never take anything for granted ever again. Life is precious, freedom is precious, health is precious, and we just have to be grateful for something every single day.